Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an overlay in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to start a project. So basically you can go to the file and click on your project and then you can choose any aspect ratio. Now you will be needing to start adding content, and basically I have this video here, and then you can simply I'm just going to cut this one and I'm just going to uh, add it on top of it, so basically so we can see the difference. And as you can see now we have two videos, so I can just do like that, so we can see that we have two videos. So now to add an overlay, you will be needing like to go to the video settings or effects. And basically here we'll find effects. And what we are interested in is the transformation. So basically in the transform, you will find like this transform. And here you can be able like to go to the blending mode. And basically the blending mode is what we call an overlay. So here you will be able like to choose any type of coloring or any blending that you would like to happen within the video, and basically here you will find whatever you like. So basically it's already like being blended with here, and the more you are using like videos with more clear background, the more better the result would be. So as you can see here, we can just like have the green one here, and then you can choose any type of overlay that you would like, and you will have also some opacity that you can control. And of course you can also use some kind of keyframe, so you can choose where you would like to use a keyframe. Those are only some backgrounds for the video, but we are not interested in these. The one we are interested in is the overlay. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.